Unleash your inner filmmaker and transform ordinary footage into extraordinary stories with CapCut, the ultimate free video editing app for your phone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of CapCut, showing you how to master its powerful tools to craft professional-looking videos, from simple trims to breathtaking effects, all from the palm of your hand ready to elevate your content. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and tap New Project. You'll then see your device's media library. Select the video clips and photos you want to use for your project by tapping on them once you've chosen your media. Tap the Add button in the bottom right corner. You're now in the main editing interface at the bottom. You'll see your timeline. This is where your media will be arranged to make a basic cut. Tap on a clip in the timeline to select it then. Use your finger to drag the white handles at the beginning or end of the clip to trim it. For more precise cuts, tap on the clip to select it, and then slide the playhead, the vertical white line, to the exact point where you want to split your video now. Look for the split option in the toolbar below the timeline and tap it. This will divide your clip into two. You can then delete the unwanted portion by tapping on it and selecting Delete. Now let's add some flair. Explore the toolbar for a multitude of editing possibilities. Tap on Effects to discover a vast library of video effects. From animated overlays to visual distortions, simply tap an effect to preview it on your selected clip. Want to add text? Tap on the text option. You can choose Add Text to type your own words or explore templates for producing text animations. Once you've added text, you can resize, reposition, change the font, color, and even animate it. Transitions are key to a smooth flow between your clips. Tap on the small white diamond symbol that appears between two clips in your timeline. This opens the Transitions menu. Browse through various effects like fades, slides, and zooms and tap on one to apply it. You can adjust the duration of the transition by dragging the slider. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to share it with the world. Look for the export icon, usually a square with an upward arrow. In the top right corner of the screen, tap it to export your video. You can choose your desired resolution and frame rate. And there you have it. You've just learned the fundamentals of CapCut, empowering you to create engaging videos. Effortlessly experiment with these features and watch your creativity blossom. Happy editing!